Hey there everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Apex Legends on Steam quickly and easily. If you have your game opened, exit to desktop and open up Steam. Once you're in Steam, go to your library and find Apex Legends. Once you found Apex Legends, right click, go to Manage, and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall, and the uninstalling process would start automatically. If you also want to delete leftover files, go to your Steam installation folder, usually in C, Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, and then Common, and make sure the Apex Legends folder is gone. And that's it. That is how to uninstall Apex Legends on Steam.